OMG, what do she have on?
She ratchet.
Her lace front is all wrong.
Cause she ratchet.
Give me the phone. I'm finna take this half picture. Got it. I'm about to put this girl on Twitter.
She ratchet.
Cause I ain't got time for this. I'm too grown.
She ratchet.
Boy, bye. Not with them shoes on. Ooh, I just wanna punch her in her face.
Oh, she ratchet.
I can't stand her. Ooh, she too fake.
She ratchet.
Girl, let me tell you what I got my Mr.
Girl, what?
A baby boy. And they came with a sister. Girl, yes, I'm pregnant, but I still hit the club.
That right.
Let her flow. No shoes.
Where's love?
I had to get cute today. I bought things for a booth today.
That
I had to keep
right.
it looking good. Cause my baby daddy just made Bill hit the hill shoe today. New baby, new shoe today. Test the pro check in 2 days. Got the tracks yesterday. Girl, did you get the glue today?
You know it.
Don't be
it
up.
Get out my way.
It's the 15th. I got my food stamps. Got a brand new piercing. Brand new tap.
Right.
$95 for this plus. Bow! Been a thing of rap like my thumb. No redhead is tankalum. Thinking that you better than I am, more than you think.
You stupid?
Whatever. She a lie. My number.
Boy, bye.
What is wrong with you?
Be quiet. Hey, girl. You look good.
Hold on, let me see what this guy saying.
Get it, get it.
We're just gonna talk to you later then.
Bye.
What do she have on?
She ratchet.
Her lace front is all wrong. Cause she ratchet.
Let me take this picture.
She ratchet.
Got it. I'm about to put this girl on Twitter.
Cause she ratchet.
Cause I ain't got time for this. I'm too grown.
You ratchet.
Boy, bye. Not with them shoes on.
You ratchet.
Ooh, I just wanna punch her in her face.
She ratchet.
I can't stand her. Ooh, she too fake.
She ratchet.
My name is Emanuela, but my girlfriends call me Corey. It's free before 11, drinking, then we party.
There go.
Yes, I am the baddest. She can't have this boo-boo song because 2 Chainz is my future baby daddy. Maury got my jersey dress on. Jordan heels match my press on.
Pound team, dark skin. We don't like them red bones.
Duck lip in my picture. New every guy glitter. Hit me up on Facebook and follow me on
Give me
Twitter.
Lewinsky.
I'm with Team Flip Phone.
What else?
Team Chris Brown.
Okay.
If she don't shut it up,
Then
then we're
it's
team
team
shutting
shut
her down. Bad chick.
Team with your man. If he got a lot of money, then it's team he paying. What you saying?
I mean, you might as well spend it on us.
Might as well.
We look good. We got
Looking
our
good,
on.
period.
Got that lace front on.
Okay. What is wrong with her? What is wrong with her?
Oh, I don't even know.
OMG, what do she have on?
She ratchet.
Her lace front is all wrong.
Oh, she ratchet.
Give me the phone. I'm gonna take this half a picture.
She ratchet.
Got it. I'm gonna put this down on Twitter.
Oh, she
Cause
ratchet.
I ain't got time for this. I'm too grown.
You ratchet.
Boy, bye. Not with them shoes on.
Skechers.
Ooh, I just wanna punch her in her face. I can't stand her. Ooh, she too fake.
Look good with the leopard skin on. Why would she come out that house looking like
She
that?
done made it up. She done made it all the way up.
She look a hot mess. She needs to get herself together.
She already looking mad all day, every day.
Oh my god.